Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time it is the number 129. But before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to also go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright, so we have everything out of the plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 129. If you would like to see the previous 128, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which will be located in the end cards in the end of this video. And of course, guys, this collection is from Editorial Salvat. And let's open this up. Oddly in-house, and it's doll houses. There's some really beautiful doll houses. I've seen replicas of them in museums and they're really nice. Like I said in the previous dollhouse video, I'm going to be making historical videos as well soon about Victorian history, tying into the things that we've been seeing here in this collection. Not only different historical figures of interest, but also inventions which drastically changed life during the Victorian age, and how that progressed to modern times. You guys tell me if there are any historical inventions or individuals you would like to see videos of. Tell me down in the comments below. For me, I'm very excited to start doing historical videos on this channel, and honestly, I look forward to hearing from you guys, to know what you guys think, and to know, like I said before, what figures, what inventions you would be interested in seeing videos about. And now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so now it's time to open up our new little addition to the dollhouse. Let's open this up. And okay, so we have this cute little pillow with some nice lace detail there, and these really cute little pink and red flowers. And there's the other side. And then we have this little white pillow. And then then we have this little pink and red flowered pillow, which matches this. But you tell me, what do you guys think? I really like this one with the lace detail, and I might try to see if I can't try and match the lace to also put lace on this one. But you guys tell me, what do you guys think about the number? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.